Brother, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Fine, thank you.
Uh, where are you from, Ahmed?
From Somalia. Where are you?
Somalia.
Yes.
I'm living in Saudi Arabia.
When are you in
I'm
Saudi
from
Arabia?
Somalia. Yeah,
But you
I'm
are
not
from where?
Saudi Arabia. I'm from in Mali. Mali.
Mali. Wow, Mali. I know Mali. Mali is a great country.
Yeah,
So, what's your name?
my name is Abu Bakr.
Abu Bakr.
Yeah.
I have gift for you, brother. So you want to hear it?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Where?
Si les pluies des boules sont tombées, au-delà ou au-delà, debout sur les remparts, nous sommes désolés de mourir pour l'Afrique et pour toi, Mali. Notre drapeau c'est la liberté pour l'Afrique et pour toi, Mali. Notre combat c'est la l'unité. Oh Mali aujourd'hui, oh Mali demain, les chanteurs d'espérance, les guerres libres.
Brother Abu Bakr.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, brother. I'm here to spread the love.
Thank you so much, brother.
How do you feel?
I'm fine, wallah. I'm feel good.
When was the last time you heard your national anthem?
Maybe now 2 years now.
Oh my God! You should thank me.
So thank you so much, brother.
I
Now
think
I'm 2 years ago
I
now.
oh I just maybe I give you a little bit and hints and back home.
Yes, you are very welcome.
Thank you,
This
brother.
is very welcome. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, very happy to see you and very glad to hear
Today
your national
I'm
anthem.
very happy. I'm very happy today.
Okay. Thank you, brother. It's absolutely pleasant. Thank you, bro.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Shukran, shukran. Bye bye.